Swelling, itching, redness, skin rash, and sensitive skin are just some of the signs that can indicate contact dermatitis or eczema. All these symptoms cause an intense irritation on the skin, so everybody who suffers from this skin disease tries to find alternatives to alleviate the symptoms. If this is your case, see this homemade treatment to help with skin inflammation. Oat porridge. A good homemade remedy for eczema is a porridge with water. Oats eliminate irritation and lighten the skin because of its soothing properties. It is very simple to do. Write down the ingredients. 2 tablespoons of oatmeal flour, 10 ounces of water. Dilute the oatmeal flour in cold water. Once it is diluted, mix it with a little bit of hot water. The resulting mixture must be applied over the affected area 2 times a day. After doing this oatmeal treatment, it is recommended doing a compress with chamomile and lavender essential oils. Just bring 2.64 quarts of water to a boil and add 3 drops of chamomile essential oil and 3 drops of lavender essential oil. Once the mixture is lukewarm, dampen a towel or gauze in the solution and apply over the affected area. This procedure must be done at least 4 times a day. This treatment will alleviate the irritation and itchiness caused by eczema. Remember that to treat any skin issues, it is important to not use perfumes or scented lotions on your skin. Avoid pollen or pool water, and also hot places or anywhere that facilitates sweating, which can worsen the symptoms. And of course, wear light clothes made of cotton, which are better for perspiration. Besides that, your showers should not be too long or too hot because it can dry your skin. Use a soft towel to dry your skin and moisturize daily. It is important to keep doing this even after the symptoms are gone. Signals of improvement can be seen after the first week of treatment. If not, and for precaution, always talk to a dermatologist to learn more about the real causes of the symptoms and what treatment is the most appropriate for your case. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.